Okay, I'm gonna review the, I don't know how you say it, GEMYSE women's winter jacket from Amazon. This is a small, I think the color's called More Blue. I'm 5'6", 118 pounds. Don't mind the lovely outfit I got going on here. Put this on for you. Things that I love the little handcuffs that have the thumb hole to keep your hands warm. You put your gloves on and you won't get any snow or anything up in there. You can adjust the cuffs with this Velcro as well. Here is the back. I'll zip it up. Well, let's look at the inside. The inside has 2 pockets. There's a zip one on this side, which does fit a Galaxy Samsung S23 phone in there pretty easily, and you can zip it back up. There's a mesh pocket on this side that you can also put things in. The phone can go sideways in there as well, but there's no closure on it. There is a little headphone tag here, I'm assuming to put your headphone cords through if you still have headphone cords, but otherwise I can't tell where else you put anything with that. So we'll zip it up. Zips pretty easy. Zipper seems to stay well. And then it's got little Velcro for the snap at the bottom here. The outside has 2 zipper pockets at your hip level. I got a fuzzy lining and my hands fit in there pretty good. Cell phone also fits. The upper chest pocket here is a zipper pocket. It looks almost like it's a waterproof zipper as well. It's got that kind of style to it. My only issue with it is I can't fit my phone in there, and that's kind of one of the requirements I'm shopping for with my coat. So it's easy access for me to keep my phone. So that's a bummer. And I'm not sure about this kind of weird design here, but otherwise I like it. I'll put the hood on for you. There's no fur or anything around the hood. Zip it up. This just has a Velcro closure there. And then if you want, you can tighten it down with the bungee cords. I think my only thing with this too is, I don't know, this might get cold with this gap here, but truth be told, I'd probably wear a scarf with it as well anyway. But overall, I like it. My biggest bummer really is just the small outside pocket. So there it is for you.
J'ai commandé cette veste d'hiver-là. Beaucoup trop grande. Comment puis-je faire pour la retourner? Je n'ai pas d'imprimante. Je n'ai pas d'imprimante et je voudrais me rembourser. Comment puis-je procéder? Veuillez m'indiquer les choix s'il vous plaît ou envoyez-moi quelqu'un pour le réclamer mon colis. Je vais l'emballer. Voici les preuves. Commandé aujourd'hui même, beaucoup trop grand. Et je voudrais une réponse parce que j'avais déjà envoyé 2 t-shirts par la poste que je n'ai pas été remboursé. Même la facture que j'ai dû payer pour le colis envoyé. Ce qui m'a été dit par le service à la clientèle de le retourner par la poste. Mais j'ai aucune nouvelle. Là, ma veste que j'ai commandée, que j'ai reçue aujourd'hui, le 2 novembre, j'aimerais savoir comment retourner. Envoyez-moi quelqu'un pour la réclamer et me faire rembourser. J'attends de vos nouvelles. Merci.
Non, me tell y'all, I can't even get this mug open. It is stuck. It got stuck. I got money in it. I got to get it open. So I had to take off the little tab thing with the pliers, and it still is not opening. Like, usually zippers just rip, you know, that's the issue. But the issue here, I can't even, it locked up on me and I can't even get it off. So, yep, I got to send that back.
What?